Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to set live wallpapers on Windows 11. So let's get started. So firstly, we are going to Microsoft Store. Here we will search lively wallpaper. The first one is, you can download it. I already downloaded, so I will open it. Here you will see it will be open in background. You can select any of the wallpaper. It will be auto applied. Now you will see it is live wallpaper. If you want to customize your own wallpaper, then we are going to open Google Chrome. Here you will search live wallpaper. You can type live wallpaper, download. You can download live wallpaper, many of the website. Here you will see free live wallpapers. You can download GIF or video also. Click on live wallpapers. Click on download. It will be start downloaded. Now again open lively. Click on the plus icon. Choose a file. Downloads. Now click the wallpaper. Then press OK. You can see it will be applied. You can go to desktop. Here you will see the live wallpaper. From exit from live wallpaper, click on the again open lively. You can delete it, edit it. Here you will see we are again exit from the lively wallpaper. And that's it. Now you know how to set live wallpapers on Windows 11 and how to exit them anytime. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more easy Windows 11 tips. Thanks for watching.